Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Nabila Sadaf. My father name is Sharif Salafi and my mother name is Atifa Yasmin. This is colorful butterfly. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohammadi. I am studying in UKG class. This is my sticks house. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
ये मदीहा को तो मदीहा करते हैं.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alia. I am studying first class. What are lungs? Lungs are sac-like organs located in the chest cavities. They help us to breathe. They are the main organs main of the respiratory system. Left lung is smaller than the right lung. This is because the left lung makes some room for the heart. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Biume Sumaya. I am studying 8th class. Today our project name is kidneys. 2 kidneys are situated at the back in the waist region, one on either side of the vertebral column. The backbone in our body, they filter the blood and impurities and separate impurities. From these impurities are sent out in the form of urine.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Umme Hani. Today I am studying 4th class. Today our science fair is air pollution. Air pollution is a mixture of soil particles and gases in the air. Car emissions, chemicals from factories, car dust, pollen and mold spores may be suspended as particles. When ozone forms air pollution, it also called smoke. Some air pollution as poisonous. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself K. Yasmin. I am studying 3rd class. The earth and sun part of the solar system with the sun at its center. The earth is 3rd planet in solar system and earth day is 24 hours because the earth spins on its axis once every 24 hours. At any one time half of their plate is in sunlight day while the other half is in darkness night. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.